this tree up, get the ball moss out. We got Derek, Leon. Found them on the side of the road on the way out to this job. Definitely could use the help. So they got branches way too close to that roof. If it gets wet or windstorms or ice storms, that ends up settling on the roof and does more damage. We're doing somewhat what you'd call a gallery of natural art. So far with this tree, we've made the rough draft on the drip line, getting it to where it's just hanging down, drooping, to giving it, lightening the ends of the branches and giving it more of a lift. We still got the roof area and clean out to go with the ball moss and deadwood and so forth, but it's gonna look good. The trees too. Jump. Show them how you bungee jump. I said show them how you bungee jump. He's living on the edge. Then we got old Derek working the roof sweep. Notice how he's lanyard safetied in case he slips. He's gonna swing like a piñata. And then Glenn's pretty far up there. But, oh! Well, it got all quiet now.
Oh, Ticketmaster, get your contract on break. That's the start of the show. Yeah, I'll stand down a little bit there. We got quiet. You were talking about.
Oh boy.
We ought to cut it down. You're gonna do your show for the shitty song. When we get over there, we're gonna be this last climb ever. $5 pit pass. Come out and see shit.
Yes, yes. Derek, I accidentally got your butt on that shot.
Oh,
It was wiggling a little bit.
Hey, you wanna sell some tree jobs? Get it.
See how he removed that ball moss with the blade like that? That's a ninja style. You learn that in what form? What belt are you when you learn that style with the saw?
Leon told me it was pink belt.
Pink? When you make rainbow belt, you are there. And cut! It's really a hot mic. I never turned it off.
Oh boy, dang hot. Don't get magnum.
I need to get a drone where I can just have this like fly around at different parts of the tree. Right behind you. You just think it's a mosquito. We're going to remove the rest of this branch. It was going out over the roof. We've whittled it down piece by piece to ensure no big stuff coming down causing roof damage. If necessary, we'll tie them off and lower them, but if you know what you're doing up there, you can whittle them down safely and get it done a little quicker.
Stand clear.
And of course we'll spray that off. All the cuts bigger than a nickel fingernail size you usually want to try to spray. It's suggested. There's an argument whether it's necessary or not, but I always lean in the favor of not having to explain to everybody and their dog why we don't or do spray. So we just spray to ensure safety and no diseases. We got a bald seagull up there. The bald seagull! Now it's just tracing out, being nitpicky, getting the ball moss and the dead twigs throughout there. Get some filtered sunlight coming through. Coming up on y'all. Coming up on y'all.
Back to work.
Oh, you spun out of the camera shot. You never got your face directly into the camera. Oh, hey.
Got you figured out, buddy.
You don't want to breathe any of the pollen? Gonna have a blurry. Oh,
Yeah,
almost had you. Almost got you undressing.
Oh boy. I think I am. Something off there and you move out like you're not wearing your pants. Oh, boy.
I got the harness on, that's right.
I didn't know that.
Well, we're about to take our bow to this tree, call it complete. Got most of the ball moss dead wood and proper raised so it's safe around the house and fits a little better. You definitely see the character of the oak tree a lot more. And that's the tree ninja. Tree ninja. Look at Derek's safe pose up there. Oh, I didn't get the ninja. I probably did. These guys want wood polish so they can polish the branches here in a minute.
Get some ledge.
I'm gonna follow old Leon around a while. Y'all get to learn him. Whoa, hey! He's safer up in the tree than on the ground. We trip and fall more often when we're down on the ground. I wonder who's gonna get all that foliage off the roof.
Who's gonna get it off the ground?
We're gonna have to call a pickup or cleanup crew. This is what he gets on his break time, is the water, and then he goes for a jog. He does a 1.5 mile jog with his harness on, does a little advertising while he's jogging, and then comes back and swings up in a tree. These guys tell me they want me to coach the team out here on the trees. I pretty much called it stop and good about 15 minutes ago, and you see they're still nitpicking away, but that's why they say artistry at its... Any last words? He's advertising Ozorka, sponsored by. We're not really sponsored by him, just for legalities. And cut. Derek sporting the chaps. Try not to get your face, Derek.
Hey, don't get this special techniques on camera. You know, where the chap who did get race marks on his leg.
Everybody's gonna make fun of us if they see this because of our trailer that we load.
No,
They don't know the technique or the strategy to it though.
When we come up with our 3D
Whoa,
movie.
hey. Boom. Oh, really? You see the camera go like this? Little blood drips. Oh boy. Pretty much the completed project in the front anyway. Cut. to spray these cuts, and that's all that's left for old front tree, for old Bertha.